I imagine that we should have a place where everybody feels comfortable, a new type of museum that challenges them to solve problems they never could dream of before.
I feel like I understand what job skills is going to help me get a better job.
I really want to be a traveling doctor in the future and probably help out people back home in my country.
I dream to be a clinical psychologist.
So I came here because this program is something that I think has a lot of community investment, and it has a great potential for making a huge impact on a lot of youth in Seattle.
I enjoyed seeing the group evolve into a more cohesive unit that was not interested in messing around as much and more interested in getting something done and being invested in something. I really enjoyed learning. I learned just as much as them, that's for sure.
We hired these two people who are unbelievable, and Jen and I did some outreach and got these kids. It's one of the greatest things that's been going on for me in my work.
The goal is for them to come out with a set of hard skills and soft skills from this experience. So hard skills being like, now they know how to mix epoxy, they know how to work with wood, they know how to sail a boat, they know how to row a boat. Soft skills being, we do a lot of reflective work together, so we discuss at the end of each week how it went.
I think advocating for myself would be a challenge because sometimes things get frustrating and then you just keep it to yourself and you be quiet. You don't really do anything about it. Now, if I'm a little frustrated with something, I can go and ask for help, and it doesn't hurt to ask for help.
We had a race 2 weeks ago from Gaswork Park and back, and me and my partner, we was working together, doing teamwork. We just went one, and everybody else was kind of struggling because they was going at different speed and they was going a different way while we was going straight down the middle.
The most important takeaway that I've witnessed here is to come to a place that challenges you. Feel uncomfortable sometimes and take that in and use that to be more confident in other environments and what you may find yourself in your life.
Main key is really communication, really talking with people, putting yourself out there. You get to teach and you also get taught.
They go home to their communities and tell them that they went sailing today and they're building a paddleboard and they worked on this boat. Saida was working on the boat. Those kids were rowing it today, a little kayak. I mean, it's just amazing that they're able to witness these things in a short period of time. Our mission is to provide access, a huge part of our mission, and it's really also to provide access to people who may not even know about the Center for Wooden Boats. And now the young people that have been in this program can come and say hi to people and they can hang out. They'll walk in the wood shop and they'll just be like, hey, to the boat right, I mean, it's totally expands their horizons.
This program is unique and really important because it's a clear and radical investment in the future and in actually creating community outside of who would usually be using the center.
There's many things in Seattle that you could support and say this is very valuable. Us working with homeless youth, at-risk youth, immigrant youth who English is their second language, youth who are possibly struggling in some areas of their life, and giving them an opportunity to stabilize and to build some self-esteem.
The more people that can come through the center and learn these skills and pass them on to other people, the better I think the community will be and the better Seattle will be.
It's really been an amazing experience to work with them.
It's a way for the center to stay relevant and connected to young people who are the future.
When I think about what people have said about Dick, he would want the community to be very inclusive. You have a choice when you're building a community and when you're forming a culture is who do you want to be part of it? And I think that's a really important thing that Center for Wooden Boats does.
I imagined a place where people would come and find themselves smarter, happier, and more proud of their accomplishments.